What's up, everybody? Dees here. Why dirty your pots when you can use your Ace blender? We're doing mango smoothies today, so let's get started. So what you're gonna need is 1 cup of water, 1 cup of yogurt. You can use vanilla, you can use Greek, whatever yogurt you prefer, and 2 cups of mango. And these are just mango pieces. Preferred, you can get them in the freezer section at your grocery store, already cut up and chopped for you. So you want to go ahead now and put on the lid. Just quickly seal it. You're going to hit that button that says Smoothie, and it's going to basically set a timer for 1 minute and 38 seconds. It'll pulsate, make some noise, and before you know it, it's all done. Pour that into a nice lovely cup. This is good enough to do pretty much, we'll say 2 servings, possibly 3 depending on the cup. But enjoy. Thanks for watching.